I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me today for day 7 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. So we have this, which is interesting. And somebody said a chalk marker, which might be what it is, like some sort of marking pencil or chalk marker. That is today's gift. I don't know what it is. I don't know, but let's open it and find out. Okay. Oh, there's a couple things. Okay, so it is fabric markers. I wonder if this person knew. I don't know. It isn't a chalk marker though. It says, make your mark with Missouri Star fabric markers. So there are 2 markers here. You can see. So they're water resistant fabric markers. Let's see, personalized fabric designs, artistic lettering on fabric. Okay, an ink that stays put. No need to steam or iron, just simply write. So these are for marking fabrics. So I use the micron pens. I've never used an actual fabric marker. So I'll give these a shot. I'll let you know. Maybe I'll do a little bit of a test with these. And I got a turquoise one, which I love, and the black one. Interesting. I'll definitely give these a try. Maybe it'll change my mind. Like I said, I like the micron pens for marking and doing my labels, but I'll give these a shot and tell you what I think. There's also in here, oh, well, look at that. There's a quilt label. I love that. You know how I always talk about labeling quilts, especially with the old quilts. And it's, oh, 2 of them. 2 quilt labels. You can see here. So they're really cute. I like the design. One is, let me put this stuff down. One is like a turquoise and purple. You can see that. And this one's a yellow and orange. Almost looks like babyish, like baby quilt or something. But I like these. I'll use these, absolutely use these. And I definitely am curious about these markers. So they aren't marking pens, just to be clear. They are actually markers for on fabric. So I like this gift. This is something I wouldn't have possibly purchased myself, but it is something that I will give a try and let you know what I think. I love stuff like this. This is like the stuff I expected to see, so I'm enjoying this whole process. I think with this box, you pay for the experience as much as you pay for the products. And for me, this is a lot of fun and it's entertainment for me. So I'm gonna give this a try and let you know what I think about these markers. And I do like the labels, they're very cute. Okay, let's see what we have for day 8. So I got it ready, so I wasn't hunting around for it. Okay, this is, okay, this feels like a spool of some sort. Like a very large spool of thread, which I'd be thrilled with. Or it actually feels a little bit like a medicine bottle. I don't think that's it though. Yeah, it's like a spool. So we'll look at this tomorrow and see what I got. I'll see you soon. Make sure you take some time to sew and have a great day. Bye.